everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is the first day of autumn, so I think it would be a great time to share my top 3 Fujifilm simulation recipes for taking glorious fall photos. I've curated these from 3 of the recipes I've shared on the channel, but one of them is a new one. So let's start off with the new one, Autumn Gold. This one is by Marcel, Fraij, and he's shared a couple recipes with the channel before. He was kind enough to share this one with me on the channel, but also a few of his pictures. So the recipe I will link down in the description below, and here are a few sample images. The second one I wanted to share is called Realistic Pro. This one was shared originally by Mark Adams. Now this is a good one for the fall, but it's also a good one, you know, those fall days where you get a bit of a dreary day, the sun isn't necessarily out. I think this would be a good recipe for those situations. I have shared a few of these photos before, and here are a couple of those sample images. Now, the last one is not a recipe at all. It comes in your camera. It is in the Fuji X100V and also X-T4 and a number of the other Fuji cameras. So you'll probably have this on your camera. It is the Velvia Film Simulation. This one gives those colors an amazing pop. I love this film simulation. It's one of my favorites, and it's on the camera without having to tweak any of those settings. Here's a few sample images if you haven't seen them before. So hopefully you'll go out and give these film simulations and those recipes a try. I will leave the recipes down below in the description below, but also something a little different. Fall is coming. I wanted to put a little bit of a challenge out there for people. Now it's not going to be a contest by any means, just a bit more of a challenge to get out and take some pictures using these film simulations and getting out and taking some of those amazing, glorious fall colors once those leaves start to change. So down in the description, you will see a link. It will take you to a Google form, which will allow you to upload up to 5 photos. And what I will do is I will curate these and make an upcoming video and share them with the community. So hopefully you have some photo snapshots that you'd like to share using these film simulations, and then I can share them in an upcoming video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Go have fun taking some pictures, and I can't wait to see your pictures.